Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send money using Wise to Philippines. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Wise, you might want to click on the sign up option here. And to create your Wise account, you can simply put your email address, or you can simplify the process by logging in using your Google account, your Facebook account, and your Apple account. And once you've done that, follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here on your account, sending money to the Philippines using Wise is a straightforward process. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to the option we're in. Now, to start a new transfer, obviously what we need to do is enter the amount that we need to choose or want to send, and obviously we need to choose the currency. And obviously the currency for the Philippines is called Philippine Peso or PHP. Now, you need to click on it. All right. Click on that. Now you have your next option, which is gonna be your intended recipient. Obviously it's not for yourself, but it's gonna be for someone else. Now click on it. Now just click on it, and then as you can see, you need to enter their account details, their email. Now if you know their bank details, right, all you're going to do is provide the full name of the account holder, say for example, and then choose the bank name. So there's a lot of banks available in the Philippines, from AMA Bank, ANZ, BDO, BPI, Bangkok Bank, Bank of China, and a lot more. So you have to choose the bank that you are going to send your money from your Wise to their local bank. And if you are not sure what bank is it, you might want to ask the person or the recipient of the exact information of their bank so you can send it without fail, because once you've said that to the wrong bank, it's going to be a problem afterwards. Right? Say for example, you choose RCBC Savings, click on it, and of course you need to fill out more information here, such as account number in the PHP accounts only, which is a Philippine Peso. The recipient's address, obviously that's going to be the Philippines, right? And you need to put all the information here, even in the postal code. So the postal code is a little bit tricky in the Philippines. So once you have confirmed all of that, just click on confirm. Now, if by any chance you are having problems with the sending the money on the Philippines, just click on help here. Click on that. And as you can see, you can browse related or suggested articles with your situation, or all you're gonna do is just provide all the information that you're having problems sending money from your Wise account to the Philippines, and the Wise customer support service will be more than glad to assist you on it. As you can see, you just need to log in using your account. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.